On question number 17, I'm trying to find the inverse function. So my first step is to rewrite this without functional notation. So I'm just going to use a y instead of an f of x. My next step is to swap my x and my y. And this is really the only process that allows you to just switch your x and your y. Next, I want to get rid of that fifth root. So I'm actually going to raise both sides to the fifth power. So it's going to be x to the fifth on the left, and that fifth power will just get rid of that fifth root. So it will be 5y minus 7. And I'm trying to get y by itself. So I need to add 7 and then divide by 5. And then I'm going to finally express that as f to the negative 1 of x. So I'm putting it back into the inverse functional notation. And that will be my inverse function.